new quantum gravity, or new solution of space-time theory, and the quantum gravity theory, special theory, and quantum gravity and the universe. Sorry, quantum gravity. New quantum gravity or new solution of a system theory and quantum gravity and the universe. In the previous lecture, I have explained such thought, but now I'm still explaining new system, the new quantum gravity and new solution of space-time theory and quantum gravity and the universe. While the universe is rapidly expanding, it is I am just try to explain new thought, new energy, new explanation. So please realize my thought slow and steady. Please realize my thought slow and steady. Firstly, I think this is the sun, and this is the earth, our earth. There is a moon. I think this moon, the satellite of Earth, covered by sunlight between the earth fully. Then star far away. On this time, in which region this star should be this point, but this star this point. I mean, light is bending. Light is bending. This star should be remain this point, but we are watching this point. It means the light is bending. Why light is bending? I have explained the previous lecture why light is bending. It means the stars, they were not the right place why this incident was happened, because the wave of light, I mean photon particles, was bending. That means anyhow photon particles are always interacted by some extraordinary particles. I have to say further, the wave of light, I mean photon particles, are bending. That means anyhow photon particles are always interacted by some extraordinary particles. Now the question are what unknown particles? Those are. Newton analyzes the gravity by mass and distance of two matter. Two matter to matter into gravity. What F? Proportional to M1, M2. M1 mass, M2 mass, this matter to this matter. And inverse proportional is equal to distance d. By why it happened? Newton do not know, because he was born in more than 500 years ago. Now, so according to Newton, gravity is dependent on mass of two matter. Two matter is what? Matter in atom. What? Matter is atom. Matter, matter. Who know matter? Matter divided to divide atom. Atom. In atom, what? Two things generally. Small particles. Proton. If it is hydrogen, one electron. If it is helium, two proton plus and two neutron. Neutron. Zero charge. Plus one plus one. And outer orbital are moving to electron. Hydrogen, one proton and one electron. Do you understand? Proton, electron, atom, system, helium, hydrogen. Now I am explaining atom. What? Proton. Mass 1.672 10 to the power minus 24 kg. Hydrogen, proton, and there's the electron. The most of the mass of atom, proton, hydrogen. The most of the hydrogen atoms mass included in that proton. But what is the electron? Electron mass is 1830 proton. What? 9.1 into 10 to the minus 31 kg. 1.672 into 10 to the minus 24 kg. 9.1 into 10 to the minus 31 kg. Sorry, 27 kg. Sorry, 27 kg. So, electron mass is less than 1 by divided 1,830% proton. So, proton electron mass is much more less than proton. Now, neutron mass. 1.6775 into 10 to the minus 27 Kelvin. So, electron mass is very small, very little than neutron. Now, what is electron? I am just sketching proton and electron. If we apply energy, electron must be somehow out of shape. But this not always remaining out of shape. Electron include energy. So, and what is energy? Energy is normally light. What is light? Light is wavelength of photon, particles and object. Then this when outermost shell to lower shell electron in splitting or secreting energy. So photon absorb and photon emits. And now I mean explaining hydrogen proton decay. Maybe 3 to 10 to the 37 years. In the universe, all of the proton totally decaying 3 to 10 to the 37 years. How? Proton decay. I am just sketching proton. Proton. Proton have up quark to the quark to upper one quark. Now upward spin is plus half plus half. Downward is minus half. We know spin resonance system, such electron spin resonance system, plus half have a repulsive force. So they decaying graviton particles, nothing but graviton particles. Two graviton particles. I have to thought there is a proton. There is a proton. So from this proton upward there is a graviton particles. Graviton particles. Now I am sketching such a thought. Another thought of what? Plus up. I do not know. I should not do this downward. Upward, downward. Proton. Decaying system. What? This decaying splitting graviton particles. This decaying graviton particles. This graviton particles. This graviton. There is a repulsive force. And there is nothing force for the absorbing, and it is decaying repulsive force and it is absorbing. And this graviton interaction or gravity or gravitational force. Somehow you can thought. Now I am sketching another thing. With the proton, I mean hydrogen interaction, hydrogen matter to matter interaction, gravity. How many graviton particles decay? 4 graviton particles. Decay. Splitting. There one, there to there one, there to there one, there to there one. 1, 2, that's the one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Such. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is gravity. Hydrogen atom. Now I am describing helium. Such helium. Sorry. Proton. Helium has 2 proton. Up, 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 up. Upward, 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 downward, downward. 1/3. 2 neutron. Down, down, down. Up. Down, downward, upward. Neutron have 2 downward, proton have 2 upward, neutron is a 1 upward, proton is a 1 downward, such. Downward is minus half. So it is repulsible due to gravity splitting. Such thus two graviton particles splitting. That has a repulsible. So what happened? One there and another is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a 1 and there is a 2 and there is a 1, there is a 2. So what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 graviton particles did splitting. Sorry, I am sketching a wrong thing. From there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So internal in a helium, neutron, proton, neutron. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Internal 4 graviton particles. Particles is internal interaction and internal gravity. And this outer. 1, 2, 3, 4 internal graviton particle in the helium and outer 4. So what happened? Helium, in the helium, 2 proton, 2 neutron, 4 graviton particles, internal gravity. And this helium, 1, 2. Sorry, 1, 2, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here internal gravity, 4 graviton particles. I have explained previous diagram, internal gravity or 4 graviton particles and This uses 4 graviton particles and outer splitting 4 graviton particles. In such way, graviton particles splitting and interaction graviton relativity created. I have must explain this thing. If you do not understand, I have the next lecture. Now I am explaining the so gravity is dependent on nucleus, means nucleus much but not a little bit electron much. For energy, electron are jumping outermost shell and absorbing energy, means photon particles. What is the interaction medium? Energy or photon particles between nucleus to nucleus, means matter to matter, gravitational force. Proton have two vapor. I have explained. So it is not necessary to explain the further system. Total helium, total graviton and graviton particle interaction, external total splitting 14 graviton from 16 graviton particles for internal gravity, helium to neutron 4 graviton, and I have explained. Now I have generally that banding system. So now helium, to helium, internal gravity. I do not explain further, but outer graviton and graviton splitting. Generally, that bending system light by gravity interaction photon particle and graviton particle. In previous lecture I have explained graviton force and particles and photon particle interaction by Schrodinger wave equation and gravity. And further I have to explain the thought Schrodinger equation. Schrodinger wave equation. What is Schrodinger wave equation? When for small particles, this equation such particles, small particle, it is turned into wave particles, then wave particles. Such graviton particles wave. This way, I think photon particles this way. So there is a interaction. In previous lecture, I have explained such P 0 0 ECP XP and then BP, the wavelength. This is the as the y-axis, BP is the x-axis. P minus CP XP, and then 0 combination of XP X such a X Z. So what happened? BP, ECP, XP. In the previous class I have explained BZ and E minus CZ XZ. By the calculation of the system and everything, there is a I have concluded to the system BP, BZ, lambda p, the wavelength of photon particles, lambda z, the wavelength of graviton particles, E minus CG, XG, EZ, CP, XP, and then ECP, XP, ECZ, XZ. I think you understand. And then here to here. But the wavelength of photon particle 6 into 4 somewhat and 6 into 10 to the minus 10 to the 6 and total calculation of 10 to the minus 9 and so this is ECG, CP, XP, ECZ, XZ. Putting value of in both sides, I this side and this side, this side and this side, log E. 10 to the minus 9. So calculated minus 9 into plus log E 10. Log E 10. Minus 9 log E 10. Minus 9, I think log E 10 value maybe 3 to 4. This means 3 to 4, it may be